This side is already fully alive. The herd is moving, the crew is working, and the estate is running. This is the whole estate now. The next block is where the goat complex starts. This block starts from raw ground. Once the machines open it up, the goat estate can finally take shape. We level the whole section before the structures go in. The cleaner this base gets, the better the goat complex will run. This is where the main housing goes in. Once the long shed stands up, the goat estate starts reading for real. Now the paddocks and work lanes start locking in. Once water and fencing are set, the whole goat zone begins to function. This is where the feed side starts moving. Once the yard is active, the whole goat estate can run properly. This is where the herd comes in. Once the goats hit the lanes, the estate starts feeling alive for real. The goats come through a clean control line first. Once this part is right, the whole estate stays safer. This is where the feed system starts working hard. Once the lanes are active, the herd can build fast. This is where the daily rhythm settles in. Water, minerals, and clean lanes keep the herd running right. Clean lanes matter just as much as feed. Once waste moves out fast, the whole goat estate stays healthier. This is where the breeding side gets organized. Once the groups are set right, the whole herd plan moves forward. This is the quiet side before kidding starts. Once this pen is ready, the next phase can happen cleanly.
Did you log the birth in pen 3?
Yes, the doe is recovering well. I'm heading to pen 7 now.
This is where the breeding work pays off. Once kidding starts, the whole estate feels alive in a different way. The first care happens fast here. Once the kid gets colostrum early, the nursery side starts off right.
The kids are eating well today. We should increase the ration.
All right, I'll adjust the schedule for the afternoon feed.
The kids are moving on fast now. Once this nursery side is feeding right, the next growth phase opens up. This is where the grower side starts filling out. Once the feed lanes stay busy, the herd begins building real volume. This is the full fattening rhythm now. Once the lanes stay this busy, the herd starts building serious output. This is the routine that keeps the herd clean and ready. Once the checks are done, the next group can move forward. This is where the output leaves the estate. The loading stays calm, clean, and fast, so the herd moves out right. That's the full cycle moving out. The truck leaves, but the whole goat estate keeps running behind it.